around his neck and I killed him. I threw him in a trash can. He's very scary. He came back to life, and now he's haunting me. He's chasing me wherever I go. You don't want him to do this. He's very frightening. Trust me, I've lived a long time. He's been chasing me. I hit him with a baseball bat, and I knocked his nose off. He looks like Michael Jackson.